In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert special characters, such as arrows, into your document seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First, you should start by clicking in your document exactly where you want your arrow to appear. The cursor is like your placement tool, so before doing anything else, decide the precise spot where this symbol will fit best to serve your purpose, whether it's directing a reader to an important point or enhancing the visual flow of information. Once you've positioned your cursor, look towards the top of your screen where the menu bar is located. You need to find and select the Insert option. This action is your gateway to adding various kinds of elements into your document that go beyond text, whether pictures, tables, links, or what we're focusing on today, special characters. After you click Insert, you'll see a drop-down menu. In this menu, navigate your way to and select Special Characters. This section houses a wide range of symbols and characters that aren't typically found on your keyboard, offering a treasure trove of options for making your document more engaging and tailored to your needs. Now that you're in the Special Characters window, turn your attention to the search box. This is an invaluable tool that lets you sift through the vast selection by simply typing what you're interested in. So go ahead and type arrow in this search box. You'll notice that this action quickly narrows down your choices to various arrow graphics. When the array of arrow symbols appears, take a moment to browse through them. Consider what kind of arrow best suits your document. Are you looking for something straightforward like the classic right-pointing arrow? Or perhaps something with a bit more flair like a diagonal arrow? The system typically includes options such as right, left, up, down, and even diagonal pointing arrows. Once you've found the perfect arrow, click on it. This final click will complete the process. The arrow you chose will instantly appear at the precise location you initially selected in your document. It's that simple. To wrap things up, keep in mind that this method of inserting special characters can be applied to any situation where you need a bit more than just plain text. Whether you're aiming to enhance readability, add emphasis, or simply make your document aesthetically pleasing, know that the tools are right at your fingertips. And there you have it. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to embellish your documents effortlessly with these special characters. Thank you for watching, and happy writing.